I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to change your phone number with KeyBank, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your KeyBank account. Open the KeyBank website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, find the Profile or Account Settings section, usually located in the menu. Step 3. Select Contact Information. In the Profile Settings, look for the option labeled Contact Information or Personal Information. Step 4. Update your phone number. Click on the Edit option next to your current phone number, then enter your new number and save the changes. Step 5. Confirm changes. You may receive a confirmation email or text message to verify the update. Make sure to check your inbox for this. Sometimes, the confirmation can take a few minutes to arrive, so don't worry if it doesn't show up immediately. I hope this helps you easily update your phone number with KeyBank. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.